I'm flying high. Oh. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I got my friend Jose again here, and I'm starting this new series called Drone Adventures. I got my drone on the floor. I'm in downtown Springfield. Got my VHS. This series is where I take you guys along with me with my drone. You know, I might go hiking, I might go to the park or whatever. So I want to incorporate local drone videographers around too. So take a journey with me. Today, I'm gonna go fly my drone right through this abandoned building. Well, at least I'm gonna try. The winds are crazy right now, so this might be a fail, who knows? I'm gonna fly through this abandoned building and I'm gonna come all the way up and I'm gonna just overlook the whole city. It's like it's freezing out here, man. I need some better gloves. Looks dope though. It looks dope. I would definitely love to have like some cinematic flow shots, but I don't have my ND filters with me today, so I don't even know if that's possible. But let's see, let's bring it up to, I mean, it seems like it's doing pretty good, right? What do you think?
Yeah, it looks steady.
So I'm right here. I'm gonna go over here. The abandoned building right here. So I'm gonna need to fly it. Put it. Smooth. I mean, that was pretty fast enough though. I didn't think it was gonna be that fast.
You could always just speed it up.
I could, yeah. I'm at 24 right now, so. Flying the drone for like, oh my God. Well, I flew it yesterday, but it's been a while, yo. Cause like, me personally, I love flying into like crazy objects and stuff. Like that's what I love to do. You know what I mean? I'm in the building. I'm going. Woo!
That's it right there, dude. That was it right there, dude. You kidding me? That was dope.
I think I got the shot, man. We're gonna go home, we're gonna edit it, and we're gonna see how this is, man.
Take my pain away, I believe it's getting late. Through windows I see the rain, locked inside a house of hate. I don't wanna ever break, I test me like every day. Inside my head it's not the same.
I'll be fine, just give me some time, don't give me.
I'll make a crazy reel, bro.
Yeah? Thank you, bro. Thank you for helping me today.
Yeah, no worries. That was clean, dude.
It was almost a fail, I almost crashed it. Yeah. Come on, little buddy. You got it. That's a wrap on set. Man, I don't know how y'all can do this, bro. It's freezing right now, we're doing something for Jose. We got the sled right here. He's gonna put it in the middle of this street, and he's gonna take a nice long shot of me on the sled doing all types of crazy stunts. I might even do a 360 backflip. Who knows?
I'll have it.
Yeah.
Like in the middle here. Just in the middle anyway.
Yo, should I stand or should I sit down? Stand, right? Yo, this is a good sled. Where'd you get this at? You want me to face right here or right here?
Like that. Turn a little bit.
Like
this.
right here, like this? All right. So that's it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna head home, and I hope you guys enjoy this adventure with me today. If you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe, like, and comment, and don't be afraid to create. Take care.